Welcome, grade 12s and accounting students out there. To what? To Matric Subloaded. With Ashraf Patel, your program is Matric Subloaded. Your favorite program is Matric Subloaded. Why? Because this is the program that's going to ensure that you ace your accounting paper. In today's lesson, we're looking at projected income statement. Let's look at a bit of theory on this here. A new business, as well as established ones, need to prepare and analyze forecast income statements. Why? So that we can project our net incomes, so that it can assist us with the planning and the control of our business. Remember, most important, the planning and control of our business. It also gives investors, suppliers, banks, and other interested parties an idea of what to expect from this business. The statement can also give you what you often hear as the bottom line. What do we mean by the bottom line? The final net profit. It gives you thus the viability of this particular type of business or this particular venture that you want to go into. I'm sure you're well aware from our previous learning that the income statement is a comparison of our incomes and expenses for a particular accounting period. The net result would determine the net income for the year. So you've done an income statement before, haven't you? So you are familiar with it. It's nothing new to you. So therefore, what information we normally use in an income statement that is based on transactions that have already been recorded. In other words, if I'm preparing an income statement for the year ended, though that is based on transactions that have taken place and that have been recorded. So in other words, that is historical information. Got that? Okay, so that's something you've done already, so nothing new. The significant difference when you are preparing a monthly forecast income statement, watch the terminology. You're preparing a monthly forecast income statement, is that the information will be used to project. You are anticipating or you are forecasting information for a period in the future. It has not taken place as yet. You are projecting what will happen in January next year. That's what a forecast income statement is all about. What will you take into consideration when you are forecasting? What information will you use? It's not just thumbs up, guys. It's based on scientific information. And what will we use? Here goes. Definitely, you will take inflation into account when you are preparing your projected income statement. Number two, you would also use the CPI, your consumer price index, because these are based on scientific calculations, and yes, they will provide you with pertinent information which you can use when you are drawing up your projections with regards to your income statement. You will also use your PPI, your producer price index. All of these are based on, like I alluded to earlier on, information based on scientific calculations. Yes, the GDP, the gross domestic product projections for the economy. Remember, your business does not operate in isolation in a cocoon. Definitely not. Your business is operating in the wider economy of the country, and therefore the GDP will also impact on your business. Okay? What about trends in the industry for that period? Certainly a very pertinent point. there may be a downturn in the economy, and certainly for that particular industry. For example, let's use an example here to illustrate our point, is that sometimes when you have the economy in a recession, then immediately you find that the building industry goes into recession. Why? Because money is not available, people are not spending as much on building new buildings, etc. And therefore, you'll find that the trend for the industry shows you that there's a downturn in that particular sector of the economy. So obviously, you have to take that into consideration when you are using or when you are preparing a projected income statement. Certainly, if you are looking at previous records and trends in the business, what's the history of our business? What has happened in our business in the past? Yes, the history, the records of the past will give us an indication of how to project in the future. What are our lease and other contractual agreements that will impact on our projected income statement? What about the competition and the market conditions? All of these are very important when we are preparing our forecast income statement. Okay, so we've done a bit of theory. Keep that in mind, but stay tuned with Matrix Uploaded because there's some interesting stuff coming your way. Stay tuned.